Okay, we're back. Now let's take this away because we don't need it again. Zoom in. We might actually need it because the spacing here is much. So manually drag like that. Let's look for that one that we took away and fix it. Zoom there. It might not be there, safe. Just here to fix it there. Okay. Now duplicate this for the girl, the L. And do the horizontal and vertical. Now manually move this, duplicate, this, duplicate, this, duplicate, this, duplicate, and that's that. So we can select and select and select and good. Same thing here. Same thing here. Good. Now here, duplicate and fix. Move. Good. Now start from here. The same thing. Align. Now drag this down so that what happened last time will not happen. Okay. Duplicate. Drag here. Drag this down. Duplicate. Okay. Continue from here. Align. Okay, same thing here. Align. Then let's see if this is gonna work out. No, it did not. So arrange it, then align again. Okay, drag this down, select, and align. Okay. Now duplicate. Okay, duplicate. Move this here, move this here, duplicate. Okay, let's align from here. Select, spacing. Okay. Now, if it was me doing this, I don't need this at the back. But because you're just starting with these techniques, so it will help you. It will help you a lot to some extent that you will just you will know when to drop it when you don't need it again. You will know, just like a baby, a newborn baby. They don't just start walking immediately. It takes them time to sit down. It takes them another time to stand stand up. It takes them another time to move a step, and gradually, that's how they become perfect in just walking. So this one at the back is the same thing like that too, just to help help you perfect your craft. Okay, now it happened. So gradually arrange, then align. same happens here. Okay. Align. Again. Okay. Drag this down, drag this down, drag this down, drag this down. I think we're almost done with this job. Duplicate, duplicate. Then this, align. This, align. This, align. This, align. Okay, we need to do this again. This, align. Okay, drag this down, duplicate, keep this there, duplicate, and keep this there. So align this. Okay, this. Okay, now this to be aligned like that. Okay, this, good, to be aligned. Okay, now let's go down to the, yes, to this part. To this part. The spacing here are much, so we don't need all this. Just take them, arrange them there, drag this there, move, 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 and move. Now, this, this. Zoom out. Okay. Now, let's see what we've done so far. Now, let's zoom out. Now, check it. Can you see? Can you see the difference? We need to work on this part, and this part. That will be the end of the editing. So let's go back. Your transformation panel again. Let's start from the top. Okay. Here, gradually duplicate. Okay. Duplicate. Like this. Okay, fine. Now, this, align it. Same thing here. Align it. Same thing. Good. Align. The same thing happens here. Align. We'll do the same here. Align. We're gonna do the same here. Align. Yes. Then here, do the same. Align. Now here, do the same. Align. Now it happened. So meaning these have to go inside a little, then align it again. Okay, so we're good. This. Now we need to add. Yes, and yes. If need be, align. Okay, here now, drag this manually. That's duplicate, add. Okay, add. Okay, So we're good with that. Now this, we need to add. Okay, before we add, now let's do alignment with this. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. This and this. Okay, then this. This. Okay, let's zoom here because from here is turning 4 each. Now let's zoom this, align it, this, align, this, align. Now this comes down and this goes up. Let's align. Let's add one to this, align. Okay, add one to this, then align. Zoom out. Let's add one duplicate, drag this back, align. Align. Okay. I hope it's not going to happen again. Okay, did not. So duplicate, add, add, align. Okay, duplicate. No, no need to duplicate. Align. Okay. We need this. Select, 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 select. This. Select. Okay. Same thing. Select. Select. Okay. Select. Align. Select. Select. Now this. Now this is going to be a problem here. So what you do is this. Undo because this is moving. So this had to move up a little. So this. Okay. Now let's try this. No. So you take it up, then align. No, this one is moving. I don't want it to move. So select this again. Okay. Now take this here, this here, this here, here, here and here, then duplicate, 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 align like that. Okay, so from here, now from here, select and align, yes. Now this, this. Okay, let's try this again. Let's add one. Okay. Okay, let's zoom out. I think we're good to go. We're good to go. We're good to go. Now take out the black. So we have this. Change the background color. Remember, we're deleting this, delete, this, delete. So it's done. Then select everything and then you group it, Control G, or you come up this way and group selected shape. Now it's done, grouping the selected shape. So I think we're done with this. So tomorrow will be another day. Now, for instance, you want to cut this. You want to cut it, so just set it and then click on your send. Click on your send. You can see it's done. You can see the setup for the cutting. Now you have no cut, you have a cut, and then you have cut edge. Now, anytime you want to cut and you notice the cut edges are lighted, don't cut, don't send. Always click on cut, because this will actually cut everything. But this one is just the edge. It won't cut inside. It's just the edge. These shapes are the edge of the template. Those are the things the cut edge will cut. Then look at the left side, cardstock. We're not doing a cardstock. We're doing a rhinestone template material. You select this and then look for rhinestone template material. I think this is one. Click it, and then all this will come up. And if it's connected to the Silhouette Studio, this will show ready, to tell you ready. And then you click on send. But then, like I told you yesterday, if you don't want to send, if you don't want to cut, you want to send to someone to cut, or you're selling to somebody, if you're using a business edition, it's possible. You do what? You go to your file. I went to open more. So go to your file, click on file, then save. Once you click on save, this pops up, and then the person will tell you, please send it to me as Silhouette Studio V3 or Silhouette Studio V2 or SVG, PNG, JPEG, GSP, or possible document formats. Anyone the person is asking you to send it as, you just click on it and then click save. Click on it and then click OK. Once you say OK, once you say OK, automatically it's saved. But right now, I do not remember to put my name. or the name of the file. So make sure you always put the names of the file so that you always remember it whenever you want to go back there. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'm sure you learned something. So I'm going to upload the picture and send it to you so that you can replay to learn more. Okay, if you have questions, you feel free to ask questions. Then there's something I need to tell you. After this training, you have any difficulties, you can always reach out to me and then do a correction for you. Okay, so if you have questions to ask, you can always ask me now. You can ask me your questions if you have any to ask. So I'm waiting for your questions. This is somebody's own that I did for the person. Oh, I want to pick up the stones. Let me group it. Group.
I don't have any questions. I'll probably have some after I start playing in it more. Now that I
Okay.
know how to move around in there better.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
yeah, I don't
Okay.
have any at this time.
Okay. So that thank you for that. So I want to reach out to somebody. So tomorrow, same time tomorrow, we'll come online. Then we do our day three, our day three tomorrow. So have a good day, a blissful day. Because right now I even need to sleep because it's getting late here. Though I
Okay.
didn't I
Well,
though I didn't sleep yesterday. After I finished the training with you guys yesterday, I didn't sleep. I didn't sleep even till now. I've not slept because I walked through the night. I told you I was in the school doing some
yeah.
work. Yeah,
Hmm.
so I did not sleep at all.
What
So
time is
I
it there?
now is 10:30 p.m.
Oh, ten
here
thirty
now.
p.m. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Well, get some rest,
Yeah.
and we appreciate your help. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Yeah. Thank you for coming around. So I really appreciate everyone. Okay. So see you guys later tomorrow. And
Okay. Have a
please,
good night.
yeah, good night. No.